we are done creating our blog, setting up the theme, doing everything on it. We worked on AdSense, worked on our payment profile, completed our payment profile. Happy with that. That is good. We are on the site. We have submitted our site to Google AdSense for them to go through, worked on the ads on how it is to be shown on our blog. Then the next thing we are supposed to check on is ads.txt. Now you are here and then you are seeing ads.txt saying not found. Then you're like, how? Is this going to prevent me from getting AdSense approval? Is this going to prevent my blog or website from getting it? No. If you are thinking ads.txt is what is going to prevent you from getting AdSense approval, that is not true. Google works on your quality of your blog, not ads.txt. But if you are thinking of finding a way to solve it, then all right, trust me, you're in the right place. So the first thing you're going to do is, let me show you a preview of, this is the blog I'm working on currently. That is living, it's a tip about life, all right, that is, it is a health blog. For those who haven't checked on the video on how to fix ads.txt or install the ads.txt on their blog, there is a video at the top side you can click on to go through and then install the ads.txt correctly on your blog. So once you have added the code to your blog, you need to verify if the ads.txt is actually confirmed on your blog or is applied on your blog. All right. So to do this, you need to add ads.txt to your web address. So you copy that and then add ads.txt. Then click enter or click on the link. Once you click on it, you're going to see something like google.com publisher ID, direct, then that code. All right. The publisher ID over there shows your blog is being connected to your AdSense. All right. If you want to verify, you can also head on to account, then you head on to settings. And I think you find that around account information. Yes. So at account information, you're going to see something like publisher ID. All right. So publisher ID is what we are seeing in our ads.txt, which means that it's confirmed. Good. So how long is it going to take for you to see it as authorized on your blog? With Google AdSense, it's just like how they would approve your blog for AdSense. So it's going to take somewhere 2 to some weeks before you see it as authorized. But put this in your head that you not seeing authorized doesn't mean you are not going to get AdSense approval. Remember, it's based on the quality of the blog. You are seeing getting ready. Just like this, you are sending in for AdSense approval. Getting ready meaning you are in the queue to be approved to get AdSense. And once you get AdSense, you are going to see ready, which means you are ready to show ads on your blog. And if it is with the ads.txt and you are seeing not found, maybe Google failed to find them during the time they were doing the crawling. Yes. So you would see something like no ads.txt was found when the site was last crawled, which means they are not finding the ads.txt on your blog. So you would have to wait for some time, 2 to some weeks later. You're going to see authorized. But remember, if you're not seeing authorized, it could be your blog needs to be approved before you see authorized, or your blog doesn't meet the qualities of Google AdSense giving you the authorized way. So just hold on and wait for them to approve your blog.